Hi everyone, hello, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be reacting to Jessie J's Ain't Nobody performance in I Am Singer 28 in China. After Casey Sandingan performed Rolling in the Deep, now Jessie J performed Ain't Nobody. And so without any further ado, let's go and watch the video.
First you put your arms around me, then you put your charms around me. I can't resist the sweet surrender of the night so warm and tender. We stare into each other's eyes, and what we see is no surprise. Got to feel that most were treasure.
Makes me feel
Wow guys, that was Jessie J performing Ain't Nobody, and it was the first time to listen to the song. And it was so great and very powerful vocal. All the power from her body, like she spread it all over the place, the audience, and even to the singers, and even Casey danced with the tune. I really love Jessie J so much. And her voice is so distinctive, and no one has the same voice with her, and her notes were so crazy, and the dancing really good. And I am waiting for another performance from her and Casey Tantingan, and let us see who will win the whole show. And if you have any more videos you want me to react, any videos, just comment down below. And if you're not yet a part of the family, please click the subscribe button and the bell button beside the subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. Okay? Bye for now.